sugar, eggs. Oh, there you go. Okay.
You want a little bit? You want to see your face?
No, it's okay. No, I'm okay. Yeah. Okay, Dad. So we need 2.5 cups of that guy.
Oh, I'll put this one here.
Yeah.
Sometimes you need to see the. Or maybe I just.
If you want to hold it, yeah. Action camera. It's about 2.5. Okay. Maybe a little more. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, that's too much. That's actually not so bad. Are you laughing at us?
No, she's not.
She's laughing. Hey, Dad. What are you watching? So I hope so.
This is good enough?
I think so. I hope
Yeah.
so. Yeah. Is that sugar chunk? That's a sugar chunk. No worries, guys. Man, I don't know what I'm doing.
You don't even have to put it to the top.
Yeah. But,
You did the work.
well, this part was confusing. Every part was confusing, actually.
Does your dad know how to make it now, or was it just you?
It's just me.
Mainly.
That's the reality. But it's something.
It's good. It's good. So, Dad, are you gonna be inspired to do some baking next time? Dad,
Yeah.
are you inspired to do baking next time?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'll do it next time.
You know how it's all done?
No.
No?
A little bit.
A little bit? Okay. Photographer. Okay. Put the
Dalawa,
focus here.
tatlo,
Right?
isa.
Okay.
Woohoo. How many minutes?
5 minutes, and then.
Oh, sorry.
You wanna cook ma?
You can take a picture here, from here, huh?
5 minutes.
Five
You can
minutes.
take a
Yeah,
picture from
like
here.
that.
Kitchen timer.
5 minuto.
Cooking.
There you
And
go.
then, and then
Wow.
you have to lower it after.
Yeah, lower it to.
Thank you. Ooh. It's popping up now.
Go ahead. Go ahead,
Okay,
please.
bye. Pause
Okay,
it.
I'm gonna.
Move, people, move.
Pause it. Pause it.
Move. No, Dad doesn't need to pause anything. You need to edit something.
Keep
Wow.
walking.
See that?
Look at that.
How do we get it out now without burning ourselves?
There you go.
Woohoo.
Dun.
That's why.
Wow. Up, hands up. Take a picture of the thing.
Wow.
We're all excited.
Merry Christmas.
Perfect.
Happy New Year.
Wow. Woohoo.
Oh yeah.
Woohoo. That's chocolate muffin.
Clean. So it's good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Mm.
Wow. Perfectly cooked.
Wow.
Mm.
Cool.
Clean. So it's good.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
Mm.
You can make one
It's actually
more.
not that sweet, or it's like, I don't know. Is it that sweet? No.
The chocolates
sweet.
are
I just
semi-sweet.
did. Hang on.
Yeah, it's
Wow.
good. It's not too crazy, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Not too sweet.
Simple.
Not
It
too
doesn't seem
sweet.
too sweet, even though it seemed like a whole cup of sugar was a lot.
Hot.
Oh, you're an actor. Such an actor.
Hot.
Sugar, eggs,